In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the unboxing and a complete setup of your HP OfficeJet 200 mobile printer. This is a wireless printer. You can use it as a portable printer wherever you go. You can just take it with you and you can use it. The only thing is it cannot do the copy or scanning. So let's do the unboxing. So this printer comes with the two setup ink cartridges, HP 62 black and color ink cartridge, and there is a power port that is here, and you also get one battery that is here. So this is the rechargeable battery. Let's take the printer out. So you can just take it out from here. This is a small printer. That's the manual and the booklet. First step is to install the battery. So at the back of the printer, we have to open this section, install this battery pack. It will lock. Once it is locked, we have to close it. Next step is to plug in the power cable. Open this lid. Here is the power button. Press the power button and the display will switch on. We can move it. So that's the initial setup. We have to select the settings from the display screen. In the initial setup, first we have to select the language. So press OK. Confirm it. Select the country of residence and press OK. Confirm it. Select if you are doing the setup in a self-managed or IT managed. So click on the self-managed. Next step is to install the setup ink cartridge. Lift this door. Also take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. Remove this protective seal. Place the ink cartridge here under this pink cover and push it from here to lock it. Same with the black ink cartridge. Place it here and then push it to lock. Close this and go to the display panel. It will give you the confirmation that the ink cartridges are installed successfully. Press OK. Load letter size plain paper. Paper tray is just at the rear. That is here. Press OK. So it's going to do the alignment, so we'll wait for that process. In case it says alignment is unsuccessful, you just have to retry. Alignment is complete, and once it is done, press OK. Next step is to do the wireless setup of the printer. You can connect it with the Wi-Fi network. So we are going to do that. Press OK. It will give you the list of wireless routers. Select your Wi-Fi and press OK. There are two options to connect it. First, you can do the WPS setup. So if your router has a WPS button, you can press and hold that for 3 seconds. Or if you want to use the password, press OK to enter the password. To make the changes, numbers, alphabets and special characters, you can select from here. So this way you can enter the password. Once you enter the password, click on the done and then press OK to continue. Printer is successfully connected. Click close. Web service setup, if you want you can use that or you can set up later. So I'm just going to click on the setup later. Select auto updates for your printer. So that is best thing to keep it updated, and then click on the continue. You can select if you want to send data to HP or not. So I'm just clicking off. Click on the continue. To save the battery power, you can turn on the auto off. So click yes. You can select the time, for example 15 to 20 minutes, and confirm it. So once the setup is complete, you will see the main blue light of the wireless is stable. On the main screen we can see the estimated level of battery. So let it charge completely. Next step is to add the printer in the HP Smart app. Go to your smartphone. You can use iPhone or your Android phone and download the HP Smart app. You can download this app from the App Store. In this app we have to add the printer. So click on the plus button. Select already connected to network. Select HP OfficeJet 200 mobile series. Instantly it will add up the printer and it will display the estimated level of ink. And we are ready to use this printer for printing. So let's do a test print. Make sure your printer is selected here and then click on the print icon. That's the complete setup of the printer. Once the battery is completely charged, you will see the light will change. Also it will display the 100% battery power. So once that is done, then we can use it as a portable printer without using the power cable. Thanks for watching.